And again, these tips are what helped me to achieve this 100,000 subscribers silver creator award and play button on my primary YouTube channel here. So I have over 100,000 subscribers at the moment and the channel is verified. And get high click-through rate. You have to learn how to create magnetic titles and thumbnails. One thing that has helped me a lot when it comes to my YouTube channel is I've learned the art of creating engaging thumbnails. Click-through rate simply means when people see, when YouTube shows your thumbnail, these are thumbnails and your title. Typically, these are what people see when YouTube refer your video to them. So they see your thumbnail and they see your title. If you learn the art of writing magnetic titles and designing simple magnetic thumbnails, you will be able to get people to click. So if they have 2-3 videos on erectile dysfunction, will they click your video? If they have 2 or 3 videos on how to lose weight fast, will they click your video? Right? Will they click on your own thumbnail? This will be dependent on how magnetic your title is and how magnetic your thumbnail is. So learn the art of designing attractive magnetic thumbnails and writing attractive magnetic titles that are catchy enough to get people to click, to improve your click-through rate. On seeing, they click. On seeing, they ignore others and click yours, so you have a high click-through rate. This in itself will increase your views, but as we all know, this is not sufficient to increase your watch time and to retain the audience, because you have to have engaging videos. But it is very important, because if they don't click, they don't even get to see your engaging video. So you have to learn how to create magnetic titles and how to create magnetic thumbnails. And fortunately, I've sat down and created extensive video teaching you how to write magnetic titles and how to design magnetic thumbnails with simple tools like Canva that are free. These you can find by clicking the link in the description section below or in the cards above. So you have an entire tutorial on how to achieve this. Getting high click-through rate is one of the secrets I consider that has helped me to achieve what I have achieved. And if you want to grow fast on YouTube, you cannot ignore your click-through rate. Learn how to write magnetic titles and design magnetic thumbnails. So check the description section below. Check the video tutorials on how to achieve this. Find this video very helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed to this YouTube channel. And check the description section again for a free download that will teach you how to start, grow and monetize a profitable YouTube channel fast. And as we usually say in this community, play big. And I will see you in the next one.